Hi everyone, I hope you are in good condition. Remember to always take care of yourself. Today, my group would like to present our final year project on the title, which is the Accuracy Assessment of Global Geopotential Model GGM using Gnss leveling data in Johor region. So, this is a final year project diploma and the code is ESC 21801 of semester 2 2022 per 2023. Before we start our presentation, let me introduce our supervisor, Cik Nur Naziha binti Muhammad Yazid. My group is formed with 3 members, which are Joshua MICKHAIL ANAK SEBASTIAN AA211909, Ahmad HAKIMI bin MOHD ZAKI AA2102X6, and me, ZAKI AA212774. Now we'll go through the background of this study. So, what is Global Geopotential Model? The GGM is a tool to estimate and to compute the gravity anomaly and geo height based on spherical harmonic coefficient. Flow, coastal erosion, sea level rise, and automatic height can be determined by the accuracy, gravity, and geo. A height expansion GGM can determine the accuracy improvement of geo and duration value. The assessment of GGM in Johor region will be conducted and evaluated with Global Navigation Satellite System (GNSS) leveling. So, we will use GGM to know the assessment of coastal erosion in Johor region. Then, what is the problem statement? The most current issues that are currently occurring in Johor are coastal erosion. Coastal erosion is a process through which local sea level rise, intense wave action, and coastal floating weigh down or carry away rock, salt, or sand along the coast. Despite the construction of several coastal protection measures, the shoreline has been severely eroding for many years. The shore has experienced catastrophic erosion for several decades.
Okay, next. My name is Ahmad HAKIMI. I want to present about significance of study. First thing first, focus on the subject of coastal erosion at Johor region. Establish the most appropriate and correct global geopotential model GGM in the Johor region. Next, second, essential in determining an effective method for selecting the global geopotential model GGM model based on satellite alone and a combination model for the years 218 through 220. And next, focus on the subject of coastal erosion at Johor region. Establish the most appropriate and correct global geopotential model GGM in the Johor region. Okay, next we go to the objective. The objective of our FYP research is the selection of global geopotential model GGM model to determine which model can be used in the making this study. The second is to verify the global geopotential model which is more accurate and does not make many mistakes based on the reference that have been searched on the websites. And the last one is the determination of the formula of the root in square error model to overcome the error in the study so that the study is more systematic and relevant. Okay, next we go to the literature review. That is, it has 10 journals of our research something. Next, we go to schematic overview of the research methodology. First, literature review. So, what we research in the Google, we have to tabling and then we go to data acquisition, and next we go to the DGM selection, and then the verification DGM, and last the determination of RMCE value of the DGM and Gnss labeling.
For methodology, the first method that has been done in our final year project is the selection of the Global Geopotential Model (GGM), which has been carried out on International Center of Global Earth Model (ICGM) platform. The best model for the Johor region from both combined satellite and satellite-only mission will be selected as the joint of Johor region. After selecting 14 models from the ICGM platform, the next step is the verification of the Global Geopotential Model (GGM) with GNSS labeling data. So after comparing the data of each model to the GNS labeling data of Johor region, the determination of RMSE value of the GGM and GNS labeling is carried out by using this equation to select the best global geopotential model for Johor region. Next, this is the result and analysis for satellite only and combined satellite, which is it shows the value for average for each model, minimum value for each model, maximum value, standard deviation, and correlation. So, this table shows the RMSE result from satellite only and combined satellite. So, the best model for satellite only is GRGS RL04 mean field with the RMSE value of 0.1911. Meanwhile, the best model for satellite combined is GoCons GCF2 Team R6E with the RMSE value of 0.1975. So this is the graph of root mean square error for each model of satellite only and satellite combined.
Next, we go to the result and analysis. The map of the top satellite mission only and bottom the combined mission for the Johor region from A again GRS RLO4 mean field, B GOCOCS, and C GOSG01S, and so on. And the result and analysis. The maps of again GRGS, the RL04 means field in Johor is more suitable to use.
The conclusion of this study is to have a good gravimetric module as well as an accurate joint module to estimate the autometric height and continuous preservation work to prevent coastal erosion. According to Global Geopotential Model evaluation result, the most accurate and suitable GGMs in Johor region is satellite-only module, region GRGS RL04 mean field. The use of synthetic data could be able to discriminate between the quality of various GGMs, indicating that this data set may be used as extra data sources for evaluating regional gravity field module. This research was supported by University Tun Hussein Ong Malaysia, UTHM, through Tier 1. The authors would also like to thank the Centre for Diploma Students, University Tun Hussein Ong Malaysia, for its support. Besides, this study was supported also by the Ministry of Higher Education, MOHD, under the Fundamental Research Grant Schemes FRGS Fund. This is our reference. It's all about this study. Thanks for listening.